Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people are confused when it comes to choosing a broker for opening a Demat account. So in this video, I'll be talking about two broad categories of brokers that one can choose from for opening an account and start one's stock market journey. Firstly, a basic point in case someone is not aware. A person needs a Demat account and a trading account to start investing. A Demat account is like a locker that stores all your securities like stocks, bonds, ETFs, etc. A trading account is a platform that enables you to buy and sell securities. Whenever you buy a security using your trading account, it gets stored in the Demat account. That is, it gets credited to your Demat account. Whenever you sell a security, it gets transferred out, that is, debited from your Demat account. Now, coming to the topic of this video, there are two types of brokers, discount broker and full service broker. A full service broker is a broker that provides a wide variety of services to its clients. The services could range from research reports, recommendations to retirement and tax planning. However, these services do not come for free. The commission and fees charged by a full service broker are quite high. Someone who has a large amount of capital and little to no time to look after it should definitely opt for a full service broker, as their expertise in a wide range of areas can be quite useful. I don't want to take names of brokers, so if you want to know about good full service brokers, then you can search it up on the internet. You will find a big list of such firms. Coming to discount brokers, high brokerage commissions was a big problem for traders before internet became widely used. However, looking at the gap between the customer needs and the services offered, the concept of discount broker came up. A discount broker is a broker who executes buy and sell transactions of its clients at a very low commission. Due to this, investors and traders don't end up losing a big chunk of their profits to commissions. However, the downside to discount brokers is that they do not provide investment advice. You are on your own when it comes to making investment decisions. Someone who has time and knowledge should definitely opt for a discount broker, as they'll save a lot of money. Again, there are quite a lot of good discount brokers. You can search it up on the internet. Another option for people who do not have time to manage their investments is to opt for a discount broker and consult a financial advisor separately. You need to check whether a full service broker or a discount broker plus financial advisor is more beneficial from a cost perspective. If you have any doubts or queries related to this video, feel free to ask them in the comment section. I would be glad to answer. If you have any video ideas or you want to discuss anything with me, then you can connect with me on social media. I've put the links in the description box. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos. Also, do share it with your friends and family who might be interested in finance. Stay tuned. Thank you